Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. First of all, open up the LinkedIn mobile application. Once you open it up, the homepage of LinkedIn should appear. Now what we have to do is at the top left you should find the your profile icon. Click on it and this interface will appear. Click on your profile at the top. Once you click on it, this interface will appear. This is your profile page. Now what you have to do is scroll down and in the resources you can see make sure that your LinkedIn profile is verified. If it is not, just verify it first. As you can see, once you go in the analytics and tools, at the bottom you can find is creation tools. From here you can easily turn on creator mode while going live, or you can just go for more creator tools like this. And that is how you can turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. In the resources menu you will find a option of creator mode. Just turn it on from there too if you have. Otherwise just go to like analytics and from there you can just use all of the creator tools. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.